Hey guys, so this is the little kind of weekend, summer days of my life with my cousins slash family friends thing. But they came from Philly today, and we are at the mall. My phone's at like 5%, so that's why I didn't film that much. But we just went to Paxson and got some food. Now we're going into Sephora. Because I don't really know what I want, but I know I need to restock on my day. I'm running out. So here's my day. Let's start the Asil. It's my favorite stuff ever, but it's 30 bucks. So I think like my cousins are doing the thing where they buy me like a birthday gift. So, oh, I didn't mean to flip you off. I'm sorry. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put this in, and this always happens. They have these. I don't know. I've always wanted them, but like, I don't know. They smell so good. Hey guys, if you saw my vlog, I've done this before, but let's test and see if they have my shade in the Tower 28. My shade is, this is my shade. It's 3.0 cc. We're getting Charlotte Tilbury for Abby. Yeah, it's a very chaotic. My phone is running out of battery, but I see them. Okay guys, my phone was about to die, but now we're on 3 people. I'm on Abby's phone, but I'm on this romper. And I like these shirts, but like they're too big. I already tried them on like another different time. But anyway, yeah. This might be my last time filming on the phone because I am in the free school dressing room and I'm oversat my phone. So I might not be able to show you the outfits, but I'll see you guys later. Welcome back. Today we're doing another haul with my cousins Carissa, Claire, my sister, and Abby. We went to the mall. We're gonna do a haul. So let's go first. Yep. Okay, I'll go first. So from Paxton, I got this little addicted shirt and it has like hibachi sauce on it, like that. And then so sports. Yeah. From Sephora, I didn't buy this, but I got the day like styling cream, and I guess it's like number what? How many have you got? Like 3. This is my day styling cream, and then they gave me for 10. So I was like, amazing. And then I got the dark pink finally found a shade pack, but this is in shade 6.0 ID. You want to show the fancy shade pack? No, I'm not gonna. I've been lying. What is like your summer shade and then it's too dark? I'm just getting one. I'm just like that. Okay, I got more day pack. Oh, you got this? Yeah. I got these blue navy, or not navy, royal blue. Such royal blue. They're big. I know them. Alright, let's have Abby unit.
First from Free People, I got this 2 little sports bra. Cute. And then from Athleta, I got sports bra. So I'm feeling sporty, like this one, great top. And then first from Paxson, I got this 2 top in blue. And then another one in very nautical, in brown shirt blue. And then lastly, I got very nautical dress. Very cute chapless.
Yes, I was
I was gonna say that, chapless, chapless shirts, not cool.
okay. Alright, so now we're gonna do some Claire. Okay, Claire, you should try
Or Grable.
this green is so fast.
I really do.
Oh my god. Okay. Okay, it's late. Free people, I can hear you guys. I'm saying it. Okay, you'll get in the camera. Where is my BT at? Okay, and then I got this. Hi guys. Okay, so now we're getting. Now we're going to go like this is an outfit. Sephora. I got these. Isle Paradise bronzer with golden hour sunny serum. Yeah, they're not pretty bronzy. Yeah, and then and then from Free People.
These are tanning brand.
Yeah, I got these biker shorts. Like dancing them. And then from Paxson, I just got this like basic yellow tee. Wait. She's not done. Hey guys, so we're at Fred. Actually not gonna say it because I don't want you guys to stop me. But we're at this dinner place and we're gonna get some dinner. But my phone died at the mall, so yeah. Hi guys, so I'm here. The wind is foul, but I like to eat my food. They have okay, but yeah. Abby, how did you like your food? It was hard. I didn't like it. It was bad. Claire, how did you like your food? Yeah. Okay. How did you like your food?
It was good.
I rate mine like I don't know. Mine was like a 7 out of 10. But yeah. Okay guys, don't mind my hair, but I just took a quick shower. It's kind of been a while, but I took a shower. We didn't really nothing. We filmed a haul for my YouTube. And they did my hair care and put it in this like bonnet thingy. And we made some yummy cereal, but we ate it all because it was so good. And so yeah, we're just kind of chilling out. Good morning. I just got changed out of my pajamas. It's about 9:30. We have a nail appointment at 10. We stayed up till like 1 a.m. in the basement last night with my cousins, and we woke up at like 8:30. So we're kind of rushing all around the house right now. But I'm determined to do my skincare in like 10 minutes, and then we gotta go because we can't miss this. And then the plan is that we're going to, I was saying the plan is that we're going to go to the nail appointment. I think we're getting pedicures though, so no nail transitions unless you want to see my dogs. But I think we're gonna do that and then go get like a coffee or something. Going to like a bakery to get some like donuts and coffee and like all that. So I unloaded all my new like skincare stuff from the big haul because I had to give my cousins a haul, but it's like there's a bunch of things on my bed right now. But I finished unloading it and now my vanity is like literally overflowing. Just got a bunch of new makeup and skincare and I just cannot fit it, but I'm so excited to use them all. So I feel about this outfit, but I'm only gonna wear it for a little bit because we're also going to the beach later and I'm so excited. I'm gonna put this on, but I think I'm gonna put it on when I go to the beach because it'll be better. Guys, I'm just gonna do like really light makeup and finish up my skincare, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair because they did a curly hair routine on me last night and they want me to wear it down. But I'll update you guys in the car because I'm probably gonna do half my hair in there. But yeah, I'll let you all know what ends up happening with the makeup and hair. It's kind of getting frizzy already, but we're going to the beach and pool soon anyway, so. Hi guys, so now we are going we're out of the nail place and we're going into the coffee place kind of thing, but I don't know what it's called. This is her fit. This is my fit. Anyway, my hair is popping up, but just ignore that. We're gonna go to the beach soon anyway. But these little braids. Anyway, see you guys when I pick my food. I'm wearing some macarons, whatever. Oh my god. Guys, we are at this coffee place and we're eating our food. Hey guys, so now I'm getting ready to go to the beach. So we're back from like all that stuff. And I just got my little beach outfit I can show you. I think I'm gonna bring a romper if you have just like so there. I'm gonna put it over my swimsuit or something like that. Right now my hair is like down and it's really crazy. So I'm trying to get it wet enough so I can go in a claw clip. So I'm on some of my own sunscreen. I'm judging it right now, it's weird. I don't do this sunscreen. I'm gonna eat it, but I'm gonna bring this and my leave-in and I'll see you guys there. Hi guys, so now we're at the beach and yeah, so we're kind of just laying out. We went in the water. It's so clear. It's so cute. I can barely see all right now, but do you get freckles? But anyway.
What the hell?
Oh my gosh, sandstorm! Sandstorm! Anyway, everyone's laying out, but anyway, we'll see you guys later. Maybe I'll film some on the beach.
What you wanna do is get naked. Top up, living like Danny. Shock it 11.
We're gonna be there tonight with our moms and our sisters, so that's pretty good. I have any like kids are getting blush first, and Claire again has this, and Michelle this too, and I want this too, so I'm gonna try this. And yeah, anything to do. And I'll go. It's a highlight, so yeah, that's good. Yeah. do you tell I started high school and but I college. This morning and I went to the beach. And then we got ice cream and another, so we lived the best day. Once we get dressed, we don't get out of the beach. We just get the last of this. And then to cool down. Waiting for them. Again, let me use donation amounts. I have this right now. I'm using, I have this, it's like a charming. Right. Got a big system. Oh, I got this thing. Yeah.
Hi guys, I did get ready for hibachi, but now we're all at hibachi and we just got our soup. We just got here. Let's try the soup, guys. Is it hot?
Yeah.
It's so hot.
You wouldn't have bothered any.
It's hot. It's like it's like okay. How do you think the soup is, Abby?
It's actually pretty good. I don't like any soup.
Yeah, it's like very sweet.
It's like broth.
Yeah. They're the moms. They're not sweet. It's salty. It's like all sweet.
Okay, are you ready? What's your hair, right? Anybody want your hair?
What do you think about your hibachi?
I got some drink. Oh, raise your hand. Stop it. Raise your hand. When you're done, raise your hand. Okay, do something. Oh, you don't want to stop. Okay, when you want to stop, right? Okay. Okay, go here, Sonny. You're 21 to get started. She's not 21. Oh, you're not 21. Okay, oh, raise your hand. Stop it. Don't forget to raise your hand. Don't want you to get too crazy. Oh, yeah. Okay, do some learning. Okay. Okay. You can do it. Okay. This time. Yeah. Nothing but screaming. So scary. But it's okay. All right. Oh, you say it like that. Okay. And then you go hang out again. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Yeah! Okay. How about you? On the Christmas, they all make it. I know. Lots of pressure. But they all make it. Okay.
We all caught it in our mouths. Like, yeah. Guys, are we just like that? We're just like that. We're just too good at this. Hey guys, we got the food. Some rice under here. Let's check them. I got the same thing. Krista got some veggie, shrimp, steak, and then like noodles and rice, and then they got like the same thing. But Ab, how do you rate your food?
10 out of 10.
Yep. I rate mine also 10 out of 10. Claire?
9.5 out of 10.
9.5. Carissa, what do you rate it?
I'm like an 8.
Oh. What do you guys rate it?
9 out of 10. Maybe a 9.5.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm going 9.5.
Really good.
Because
Sorry. Sorry.
my YouTube vlog.
First, let's just say I think this is the strawberry lemonade. Ready? I'm gonna take the first bite. You guys get a bite. You got my bite. It's hard. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. It's okay, yeah. It's good.
I love lemon first.
It's good. It's just like really I really like it 8 out of 10. Let's ready? Go. Is it exactly the same? Where's the Oh, it's good. It's good. They all just kind of warmed up. That's fine. Is green juice? No, it's really good. Oh, that's right. I'll get one.
No, it tastes amazing.
It's not so good. I really put 5 out of 10. It doesn't taste like anything. I love it. I don't taste very good. It tastes nothing and I taste like lemonade. I hate it. It's 2 out of 10. That's terrible. This isn't so bad. I give it a 4 out of 10. Alright, now someone took a bite of it. Just toss it off it. And it's okay, it's not rich. Stop!
That's really funny. Yeah, okay. Like,
You have time. Do the salt and vinegar. Just salt and vinegar.
okay. Oh, sorry. I'm tired of sugar.
It's pretty good. You don't like it?
I don't like that. Mark, yeah,
You don't like it? Oh, that's not good. Abby did not like lemon bar. Okay, last week someone wanted lemon, so I'm gonna lemon.
It's not that bad.
Okay, speaking of lemon, try lemon bar. Salted caramel is good.
Oh my god, yeah, like yesterday, when we left, or whatever, I drank like,
It's too sweet. Lemon is too sweet. Lemon is good. Lemon is sour. Yeah, lemon is salted caramel. This is the best one. Yeah. Which one? No, it isn't. The best one is birthday cake or salted caramel.
I'm sorry if I didn't update you. I think the last time I did was hibachi. It was a long time no see. But we went to bed and we were really tired. Without like a light, I literally did not film at all. And then this morning, everyone was kind of tired too. We watched some videos, and now we're getting ready to go to brunch, and then we're gonna go mini golfing today, and a lot of fun things happening. Abby's earrings. I know they look bad because I don't usually wear hoops, but. Everything's chaotic, and Abby made me get ready with me yesterday, but anyway, it's just so heavy. Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Running out of my facial spray. Oh, I forgot, I got some new things from Sephora yesterday, and I'm so excited to use them, but I got the day restock on my day styling clean, and I tagged me today because I shade matched, and I had it in my shade, so. I also got a shirt from Addicted. It's like, I don't know. And then I got some sweat shorts that I'm probably going to return. Anyway.
Back on the channel. Today, we're going to brunch. And then we're going to like shop around some of the cute little shops in the downtown area. And then we're going to do mini golf. And then probably come home, chill. Yeah, so we're gonna have a little ponytail action. Oh, she's back. That's what I'm not doing a lot of makeup, but I do want some Benetint
I found my
because I like the way it makes my cheeks. My cheeks are already like rosy, but
Okay, I'm putting my lashes over here.
this just like elevates them a little bit more.
We went to hibachi last
And I
night,
like that.
and the chef was so funny.
I mean, Caitlin were like besties.
I know. He was like, this is a flashback from last year, bro.
From what?
When we were doing like get ready with me in the bathroom because we didn't have a vanity
yeah.
yet. I mean, you said like the same exact thing. I'll put it in here like this one. Okay, I think I'm gonna do mascara first. And then wait.
We're done. I love hair ties.
Yeah, I do.
Whatever.
Right.
Is it hair?
This one.
Thanks.
Okay, and then well, yeah, let's do my lashes. I can't do them.
Telescopic.
I'm gonna start editing the vlog today. Editing everything today.
She's still inactive, guys.
Yeah, but I have a lot of content from Saturdays.
How's your iPad not running out of storage yet?
I have no clue. It never does.
Really?
Yeah, I have like 5,000 videos. And it never does. I mean, it's just keep updating it. I give me suggestions to update it, but I don't feel like it. So it's just like not updated.
Focus.
It's like, just so far. I need to clean up and stuff.
Right. I know.
I need to
Thank
get
you.
ready.
She's in my life.
Sorry. Okay, I need to clean it up. Anyway, I think we're leaving in how many minutes?
We said at 11.
Oh, what time
And
is
it's
it?
10:58.
Yeah, I don't think that's
So don't start at 10 work.
Yeah.
Excuse you.
Anyway, guys. Well, I'm trying to make up and stuff. Update vlog. Yeah. Back from Messy Vanity. I think they should be in the car, but let's try this lip combo. So it's this out cream lip liner and shade Peachy Pink. I just got it. It's my first time using it. So let's use this baby. I kind of forgot about her, but thought why not try it today because it's cutesy. So let's go in. Okay, let's swap. I love the shade. Right. It's kind of weird on camera, but it's more it's dark on camera. But anyway, now we're gonna use this Milani lip gloss. It's my fave. Kind of running out, so blend it in. That's my lip combo. Thought why not try it, but it's my lip combo. I don't know if you're trying because I put on a bunch of setting spray, but it will sit. Anyway, I'm gonna do a scent. I think my scent is gonna be 40 because it's the vibe. Gotta spray some in the back too. And then we're gonna put on some hand lotion because my hand be crusty. And then we're gonna do deodorant. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna go. Well, obviously I'm gonna do my hair, but I have to do it quick. Anyway, everything's a mess. But anyway, bye guys. I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so I made it to Egg Harbor. The edit's kind of weird, but we're at Egg Harbor. And yep, we'll show you our fits later. But anyway, we're going to order some brunch off this menu. Okay guys, I just got my food. I got rainbow pancakes, eggs, and bacon.
My name's Abby, and I got eggs, bacon, and a waffle.
My name's Holly, and I got the dynamite omelet, egg white, English muffin, side of fruit.
My name's Christine. I got the combo, which is, here we go, scrambled eggs, bacon, pancakes, side of fruit. Off to Claire.
My name's Claire, and I got a rainbow pancake and eggs and a sausage. I'm Carissa. I got the egg white omelet with no salsa and fruit. Hey, if you're in the car and it's like pouring, it started and then stopped. It's like, did it just stop pouring? Yeah. It's like, oh my gosh. We have DC in the back.
Yeah, like 5
We're gonna go mini golfing, but I think we're gonna go to TJ Maxx and then maybe we'll clear up.
I mean, it's been so hot.
But yeah. We are in TJ Maxx. They just rearranged it. Anyway, yeah. You guys got some super cute clothes, don't ask, but I'm in the B section and we're gonna look. Okay, so all side size at TJ Maxx. I don't know where everyone is if we're all running around shopping. There's so many cute things. But anyway, guys, I'm in the area. I'm trying to look for press-on nails because I've been itching to my nails for my birthday because I'm getting them for my birthday acrylics. But I wanted to do some in the meantime because they don't have camp. And they have really fun ones, so let's take a look. You look funny. Sorry guys, I forgot to film, but we're at mini golf now. Because we're on like the second hole, but that is my ball, so not doing very good. Now we're at this hole, it's kind of hard. Anyway, I'm gonna hit it in the water. So guys, now we're at Hardigan's again, and we're gonna get ice cream. Okay guys, we got our ice cream, so I got the mango sorbet.
Big Muddy and what's the
Got
other one?
Big Muddy. Claire, what did you get? Claire, what did you get? Big Muddy. So a lot of people got like chocolate, but yeah. And Chick-fil-A right now. We're how I look because I just got out of the shower, but let's do a little TJ Maxx haul. I kind of dropped a bomb there, but we won't talk about it. Actually, get that out of the way. I got me this pajamas at the house for my birthday, which is coming up in July. And then for this, so at first, I'm also in my room now. Anyway, but, this cute little top. It's like more dressy, and this is just like a scrunchie, this little thing. This is actually what it looks like, and it's super cute. I love the green because it's jean shorts. And then I got, sorry, everything's kind of idea, but this little tennis skirt. I like the little green first got matching ones. This is super cute, and it's like retail is 72 and 616, so yeah, steal. Okay, and then, these are for trying, and then, this shirt because I gotta get more to the line, like, I don't know, stuff. I'm doing a TJ Maxx vlog with on it. What the heck? Big edits. I'm glitching. Okay, and then first I got this bonnet, so I want to do another one. Wait, I know, I took it out because, yeah. Anyway, I got this bonnet, and I think I'm gonna go but she does calling me back. Anyway, it's so funny, and it's so convenient, there was at stores, I don't know where I went. And then I got some, like, nail kits, like shine, the file, smooth file, like, just, nail stuff. Because it's custom nails, so I want to do them, so I got those. And then, hold on, I watch. This is probably one of the prices I'm like, anyway, and then I got this smoothing leave-in conditioner from Evan, because my cream leave-in conditioner right now, and this one, I don't know, it's even good, so we're gonna try mine. And then, lastly, oh, this is my sister, she got like oil. Yeah, that is. Oh, wait, never mind. There's one more thing. This kind of was a big item, so separate, but my mom got me this little diffuser. This is a diffuser. It's like you talk about how to get down my hair on. And I don't know. I just thought it was really cute. It was like on sale. So I was gonna use it for a gonna get. But I might do a little review on this. I'm not very good at my hair. But so now my floor's a mess. But that's it. Anyway, bye guys. Love you.
Not even. I bought it. Good morning.
Good morning vlog. So it's like 8:30. We woke up at 8:30. It's about 8:50 now. My hair's so gonna put on it, so I'm just ignore that. But anyway, they want to go plan to leave by 9:30, so I'm just gonna get ready in a comfy outfit and bring them to the airport. So yeah. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna get ready. A little bit. Just like not too much, just some skincare and stuff. But anyway, I'll see you guys later. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I have so much editing to do. It's not even funny. But all content is gonna come like later in the week. But it will come. So anyway, I'm gonna do my skincare stuff and I'll see you later. So I think we're about to do an outro again, but we dropped them off at the airport and that was it. And it's about like 12:30. Dropped them off like around 10, so it hasn't been that long. But yeah, so this is the end of my childhood summer day. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.